Hello, welcome to another episode of our web design tutorial. My name is Manuel from Kata Studios. Today we are going to be learning how to copy elements from one website domain to another. So this simply means you can copy your text elements, images, a whole section, a whole page from one website to the other. So this is necessary in case you are building multiple type of website and you want to use the same styling or the same section but want to tweak it a little, don't want to spend a lot of time doing all of those. So you can just do this simply by copying from one website page to another. Okay, so we'll be using Oxygen Page Builder and we're also practicing with Elementor Page Builder. So we'll be learning how to do this in these two tools. Now there's something very important for you to note. Before you copy an element or a section or whatever, a page from one website to the other, make sure that all necessary plugins are available. What I mean by all necessary plugins are available are plugins that are necessary for the builder interface itself. So if we're talking about Oxygen Page Builder, we can talk about Hydrogen Pack, Oxy Extra, Oxy Ninja, and all of Oxygen products. They are installed. What I practically mean by that also is that if all you have in the other platform which you are copying from is just Oxygen Page Builder, make sure the platform you are going to is also just Oxygen Page Builder you have. You can have multiple ones, but make sure Oxygen Page Builder is still available there. If you have Oxy Extra in this one you're copying from, make sure Oxy Extra is still available in the one you're copying to. In this way, it can recognize the element and also enable it function very well when the copying is done. I hope you understand that. That same thing apply or applicable to Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so now we make sure that all plugins are available in the two platforms we are trying to copy to or copy from. We also make sure that all plugins are updated. If your plugins are not updated, make sure you hit the update button and update the both of them before you proceed with this instance. So for Oxygen Page Builder, the plugin we'll be needing for this is a Hydrogen Pack. I think Oxygen now have the option to copy and paste from one website to the other. You can try that out. I never tried that, but I'm trying to use the plugin which I have been using, and these have been very fast and easy for me all along. So let me zoom closely so you see what it feels like. So we hit on Hydrogen Pack here. As you can see it in the plugin. So now the element responsible for this is the clipboard. Make sure this is enabled and you hit on save. Once you're done with that, we can get into the Oxygen Page Builder we want to copy from. For instance, we want to copy this particular section. Click on option and hit on copy. You see it blinks because I enabled that blinking actually. So you get to the page you want to copy to, just hit on option and click on paste. That's all you need to do. Just wait a second and it is all here. This is a totally different website from the one we copied from. Okay, you can also copy elements, like you can copy the button, click on copy, and we can come over here. Okay, very good. Can come over here and we click on here and we paste the button over here. You see? So this is as simple as that. And why I like Oxygen copy and paste is that it comes with the styling, the colors, everything that comes from the other websites. Okay, so this is practically how to copy a section. You want to copy a whole page, you need to do that. If you have the whole page aligned, you need to do that one after the other. Copy all the sections one after the other and paste them accordingly. Okay, that's how to copy a page. So now the next we'll be heading over to Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so you see we had no problem in Oxygen Page Builder because we followed the simple tricks or the simple rule. In Elementor Page Builder, the same thing apply. Click on a section we want to copy, click option and hit on copy. Okay, now we hit on copy, go back to the page we want to paste on, click option and paste from order. Not paste this time around because you won't be able to paste. You can be able to paste from other sites. This is the option available for this. This option was added recently in Elementor Page Builder plugin. So just hit on paste from other plugin. Now this is not all you need to do. Now to paste this, they say to paste the element from other sites, click on Ctrl and V. So hit on your Ctrl V in your keyboard and the pasting process will be initiated. So this you have to wait a couple of moments, and as you can see, everything is done. One problem with Elementor Page Builder is that in most cases, you won't be finding the colors which you use. As you can see, the color we use for the product manager is not the same as what we have here. Why? Because the color we use as product manager was a custom color. What I mean by custom color is the color was actually selected. Let me show you what custom color means. It was actually created as a global color. So not actually directly a global color, but it's a custom color under the global color. Custom color means colors we created after we are done creating our base color from the site settings. I'm going to talk about that in another tutorial. Okay, so custom color is kind of supplementary colors that we intend adding in case of some situations. But even if this color was a global color, one of the 4 colors that we have available here, it still won't copy over to this one, because this one practically may not have the same color value in the same position. What this means is that if we get into here, all the global 4 colors must be equal to the global 4 colors as we have here. But that's not what you should bother about. When you come in here to change the colors, all you need to do is to get into settings, check the colors that are affected, and you switch them to the main color, and that is all you need to do. Okay, so that's practically how to copy. The same thing applies to elements. You want to copy elements or sections or columns, you can copy columns also in Elementor page view. So we click option and we paste, and it's gonna work. Okay, so make sure whenever you are dragging in elements from another section, do not just paste it inside a new section you created. Paste it in an open space, or just find this particular layout and paste it in. That's just the problem I'm having with Elementor page builder. I wonder why that problem persists. So now we can simply drag this section to another, or drag the content from inside it to this other one after the other, if peradventure that is the one we want to work with. Okay, so that's simply how to copy sections, contents, containers, elements from one website in Oxygen Page Builder and Elementor Page Builder to another website domain. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Once again, my name is Manuel from Cater Studios. A like button and a subscribe will help create more of this kind of general content. And also remember to share this to your friends who might find it interesting. Do have a wonderful day.